Ollie, do you want to go hiking? Let's go.
So today is June 20th, 2024. It also happens to be our wedding anniversary.
Guess what we're doing? Hiking!
So guess how many years we've been married? Put it in the comments below. We'll give you a little hint. We were married young. We'll tell you at the end of the video, so stick around for that.
Today we are doing the Falls Creek hike. It is a 6.1 mile loop near Stevenson, Washington with almost a 1,300 feet elevation gain. However, it is half that if you go straight to the waterfall and back, and that is what we did. That route is only 3.5 miles with an elevation gain of 650 feet.
The road to the trailhead is dirt and gravel for several miles. You can get to the trailhead in a car, but the last mile or so has some places that require going slow and navigating your way around the mud pits and large potholes.
We got to the parking lot at 10:30 on a weekday, and there were a few other cars there. You will need a parking pass. You can pay on site with a self-service envelope, or you can use a Northwest Forest Pass or a National Park Pass. There are also some bathrooms at the trailhead. After this hike, we did the Panther Creek Falls hike because it's in the area and a short hike to the waterfall. We made a separate video for that hike. See the link in the description.
The waterfall is going to be good because there's a lot of water right now.
I have done this hike before and think it is a hidden gem. It has become more popular over the last few years, but is still not really well known for a Pacific Northwest trail. This hike has a lot of bang for your buck. You can hike straight to the waterfall and back and not see too many other people if you go early. So here is the intersection where you would keep going straight behind Jim to the falls, and then when you come back, you can take this loop and it will make it longer.
Don't you know you're beautiful, and it's easy to see. As long as you're right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. As long as you're right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes.
If you enjoyed our video, please give it a like and subscribe to see more of our adventures. Until next time, happy trails!